In this video, I will show you how to get lower ping in Fortnite PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on the PS5 home screen. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come into the console settings. So you want to come up to the top, go all the way to the right to the gear icon, then press X to come into your settings. Now to go ahead and actually get a lower ping, what you're going to want to do from here is press X onto network. Then what you need to do is come down to settings on this menu on the left hand side, then press right on your controller and press X onto set up internet connection. What you need to do from here is locate your internet, then you want to go ahead and press the options button on your controller, which is the small button just up here on your controller. So once you do this, you're going to get this menu come up, and what you want to do first is come down to where it says Wi-Fi frequency bands and make sure this is set to automatic. After doing this, come up to advanced settings and press X. Then what you need to do is come down to where it says DNS settings and change this from automatic to manual. So once you go ahead and change this, you're going to see two additional options come up, primary DNS and secondary DNS. What you want to do first is press onto primary DNS, and you want to go ahead and enter the following into this box, which is 1.1.1.1. just like so, and then you can come down and press done. Once that's done, come down to secondary DNS and you want to change this one to 1.1.0.0 and again press done. Now what you can do is try this and see if that helps the ping. If it doesn't, there's another one you can try, which is the Google DNS, and that one is for the primary DNS. You want to change it to 8.8.8 and then press done. And for the secondary DNS, want to go ahead and change this to 8.8.4.4 and then press done. So again, once that's done, go ahead and try to play Fortnite to see if that improves your ping. If not, there's one more thing you can try, which is on this screen you want to come down to MTU settings and change this from automatic to manual. And what you want to do is set the MTU value to 1500, just like I've done here. Of course, once that's done, go ahead and press OK. And as you can see, we're going to reconnect to the internet using these different settings. Once that's done, you should now experience a better ping in Fortnite and experience a much better and smoother gameplay experience. So that is how to get lower ping in Fortnite PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.